Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Before we begin here today, please make sure you like and subscribe because it really does help us out over here, and it also helps us reach others in need of assistance with these particular topics. So, speaking of topics, what we're going to go over today is how to find the area and perimeter of a circle. So, a circle is either denoted by its radius or its diameter. The radius is from the center of the circle to the outer edge in any direction. And it's saying here that the radius is 4 inches. So typically radius is denoted as lowercase r. So the radius is 4 inches. It takes 4 inches to get from the center to the outside of the circle in any direction. So a circle, as I said, can be denoted by the radius or also the diameter, which the diameter is just the distance all the way across the circle, usually denoted as lowercase d. The diameter is 2 times the radius, so it is just your radius plus your radius, or just 2 times your radius. So, knowing the radius and diameter relationships and what they actually are, now we can actually find the area and perimeter. So the area of a circle is going to be this pi symbol times r times r. So essentially, it's going to be pi r squared. What is pi? Well, pi is a ratio of the circumference of any circle to its diameter. It's a constant ratio. So pi will be 3.14. And of course, there's more decimal points there, but taking it as 3.14 is good enough for this problem. Now, most calculators out there will have a pi button that you can just hit. That's sufficient as well. That would be way more accurate than taking as 3.14, depending on how complicated your problem is. So knowing that pi is 3.14, it's just a constant for any circle. Anytime you see pi, it's always 3.14. The area becomes 3.14 times the radius, which is 4 inches, times the radius, which is another 4 inches. So this total area comes out to be 50.24 inches squared, remembering that the inches squared tells you you are in area. Whenever you see that little squared symbol, you are in area units. Alrighty, so moving on to perimeter. Perimeter is just a fancy word for saying how long does it take you to get all the way around. When you're talking about circles, you may also hear this referred to as circumference. Perimeter and circumference, same thing when you're talking about a circle. So for the perimeter for a circle, it is 2 times pi times r, or you can write it as pi times the diameter, because 2 times r is the diameter. That's why pi, as I said before, is the ratio of the circumference of any circle to its diameter. So that's why we're using just pi times the diameter here. So once again, just use 3.14 times our diameter, which is 2 times r, which is 8 inches, or you could write it as 3.14 times 2 times r, which is 4 inches. Either way will give you 25.12 inches, keeping in mind the inch parameter is a distance parameter, which is what perimeter actually is. So I hope this video was helpful. And if you want to see more problem solved of this variety with perimeter area, please check out the other videos on our channel, and we'll be uploading more in the future. Also, if you haven't done so already and you found this video helpful, please like the video, leave a positive comment below, and subscribe to our channel because it really does help us out. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day.